Alright, hi there guys, welcome to another video. And as the title suggests, I have found the best tripod if you're doing a lot of at-home recording, if you're doing a lot of at-home even photos, even videos as well. And myself, I do a lot of YouTube, so this is the best tripod honestly for any at-home recordings or any light movements where you just need a tripod, something raised, and to keep a camera still and you don't want it to take up a lot of surface area. This is the best. It is so strong. I've had it for about a year now, and it's a Vanguard Espod CX1. And what I like about it is the different modes that you can expand it to. When I got it last year, at that time I was looking at buying a gorilla pod, but I'm so thankful and glad that I bought one of those like in place ones, because I need something strong, and at that time I did not have the money for a gorilla pod. They were quite very pricey, but this has come out such a great buy. I'll leave links to where you can buy it if you're in the US, an Amazon link, and if you're in South Africa, some links here in South Africa where you can buy it. But it is the best. It is so stable. The last tripod I had was pretty long, one of those really long standstill ones, but I found that since I film at home and I usually put on the windowsill when I'm filming, I cannot exactly put one of those standstill. If space is kind of an issue for you, this is the best alternative. You can see how short it is when it's just like this, and then if you want to just to the second level, this is how tall it gets, like this. So this is the difference, and then its maximum height is this. As someone who's both a photographer and a video maker, this is a high recommend. I cannot recommend it enough. My camera can get quite heavy. It's still strong. It's not wobbly. You don't feel that it will tip over. It stands its ground. It's got a good flexible, okay, that's quite tightened it quite a bit, but you can unscrew it. Then here at the bottom as well. It is so strong, so durable. It's definitely a high recommend for me. If you think you're buying one, I'll leave that in the comment section in the description down below. Be sure to get one. And yeah, if you were debating whether to buy it, highly recommend. 4.9 out of 5. You know, it's hard for things to be 5 out of 5, but 4.9 out of 5, it does what I needed to do. And yes, definitely high recommend for me. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment if you have anything to say about all this. And yes, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.